10 foods that can help you fight cancer and lower your risk of developing this disease. Cancer is a complex and multifactorial condition that involves the abnormal growth and spread of cells in your body. There are many factors that can contribute to cancer, such as genetics, lifestyle, environment, and diet. While some factors are beyond our control, we can make some choices that can reduce our exposure to carcinogens and boost our immune system. One of the most important choices we can make is to eat a healthy and balanced diet that includes a variety of foods that have anti-cancer properties. These foods can help prevent or slow down the growth of cancer cells, protect our DNA from damage, reduce inflammation, and modulate our hormones. They can also provide us with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that support our overall health and well-being. Here are the top 10 foods that can help you fight cancer and why you should include them in your diet. 1. Berries. Berries are one of the best sources of antioxidants, which are compounds that can protect your cells from free radical damage and oxidative stress. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause mutations in your DNA and trigger cancer. Oxidative stress is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body that can lead to inflammation and chronic diseases. Berries contain anthocyanins, flavonoids, ellagic acid, and other phytochemicals that can scavenge free radicals, inhibit cancer cell growth, induce cancer cell death, and prevent tumor invasion. Berries also have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-diabetic effects. Some of the best berries for fighting cancer are blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, cranberries, blackberries, and cherries. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are a group of vegetables that belong to the Brassica family, such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, bok choy, radish, turnip, and arugula. These vegetables contain glucosinolates, which are sulfur-containing compounds that can be converted into isothionates by an enzyme called myrosinase when the vegetables are chopped or chewed. Berries have potent anti-cancer effects, such as modulating detoxification enzymes, inducing cancer cell death, inhibiting angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors, and regulating inflammation. Cruciferous vegetables also contain indole-3-carbinol and dindodolylylethanu, which are compounds that can modulate estrogen metabolism and prevent hormone-dependent cancers. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a member of the allium family, which also includes onions, leeks, shallots, and chives. Garlic contains allicin, which is a compound that is formed when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anticancer effects. Garlic also contains other organosulfur compounds such as diallysulfide D, diallyl disulfide D, and diallytrisulfide DU, which can inhibit cancer cell proliferation, induce cancer cell death, modulate detoxification enzymes, and suppress tumor invasion. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and cardioprotective effects. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a polyphenol that has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer effects. Curcumin can modulate various molecular pathways involved in cancer development and progression, such as NF-κB AP1, p53, COX2, STAT3, and AKI. Curcumin can also enhance the efficacy and reduce the toxicity of chemotherapy drugs. Turmeric also contains other curcuminoids, such as dimethoxycurcumin and bisdimethoxycurcumin Al, which have similar or synergistic effects with curcumin. 5. Green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Green tea contains catechins, which are flavonoids that have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer effects. The most abundant catechin in green tea is epigallocatechin 3-gallate-day, which can modulate various molecular targets involved in cancer initiation and progression, such as EGCF, IAPR, VEGF, MMPs, BL2, and cyclin-DUN. EGGG can also enhance the efficacy and reduce the resistance of chemotherapy drugs. Green tea also contains other catechins such as epicachin 3-gallate-C, and epigallocassin E, which have similar or synergistic effects with EGCG. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a fruit that belong to the Solanaceae family, which also includes peppers, potatoes, and eggplants. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which is a carotenoid that gives tomatoes their red color. Lycopene has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer effects. Lycopene can modulate various molecular pathways involved in cancer development and progression, such as IGF-1, IGBP3, RIPUR, PAR-gamma, and RAR-beta. Lycopene can also inhibit angiogenesis and metastasis. Tomatoes also contain other carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and phytone, which have similar or synergistic effects with lycopene. 7. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are the seeds of the Linum usitatissimum plant. Flax seeds contain lignans, which are phytoestrogens that can modulate estrogen metabolism and receptor signaling. Lignans can also inhibit aromatase activity and expression, which can reduce the production of estrogen from androgens. Lignans can also induce cancer cell death, inhibit angiogenesis and metastasis, and modulate inflammation and oxidative stress. Flax seeds also contain alpha-linolenic acid, which is an omega-3 fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. 8. Soy. Soy is a legume that is derived from the glycine max plant. Soy contains isoflavones, which are phytoestrogens that can modulate estrogen metabolism and receptor signaling. Isoflavones can also inhibit tyrosine kinase activity and expression, which can reduce the activation of growth factor receptors such as EGF, F4, and HER2. Isoflavones can also induce cancer cell death, inhibit angiogenesis and metastasis, and modulate inflammation and oxidative stress. Soy also contains other bioactive compounds such as saponins, phytosterols, protease inhibitors, and phytic acid, which have similar or synergistic effects with isoflavones. 9. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a type of fungus that belong to the Basidiomycota phylum. Mushrooms contain polysaccharides, such as beta-glucans, which have immunomodulatory and anti-cancer effects. Beta-glucans can activate various immune cells, such as macrophages, natural killer cells, dendritic cells, and T cells, which can recognize and destroy cancer cells. Beta-glucans can also inhibit tumor growth, angiogenesis, and metastasis. Mushrooms also contain other bioactive compounds such as terpenoids, phenolics, lectins, and ergosterol, which have similar or synergistic effects with beta-glucans. 10. Nuts. Nuts are the seeds or fruits of various plants that belong to the Juglandaceae, Anacardiaceae, Fabaceae, or Betulaceae families. Nuts contain polyunsaturated fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. PUFAs can modulate various molecular pathways involved in cancer development and progression, such as NF-κB, COX-2, PAR-gamma, ATT, and MAP. PUFAs can also induce cancer cell death, inhibit angiogenesis and metastasis, and modulate immune response. Nuts also contain other bioactive compounds, such as phytosterols, tocopherols, phenolics, flavonoids, carotenoids, selenium, magnesium, copper, zinc, and folate, which have similar or synergistic effects with PUFAs. These are the top 10 foods that can help you fight cancer and lower your risk of developing this disease. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.